In this video, I'm going to talk about our writing practice. So we are talking about how you know what a good source is. So sources refers to extra information that you didn't already have in your brain. So for example, a source is, for example, a quote or something that one of our apostles says. You want to make sure that this source makes sense and it relates to what you're talking about. So for example, if you are talking about finances, but then you talk about what you're doing on the weekend, obviously that doesn't make sense. And that's a common mistake that my sixth graders who, when they include sources, they just find random facts. So you want to make sure that your information you're finding is correct. So for this specific informational essay that you're finding, I think one of the great places for you to find sources is on the church's website. This is a great source for you to find information, and we know that the information on here is going to be accurate. Another website that I really like that gathers lots of information is called procon.org. This website, here's the link, while it may not have all of the topics that we're studying, it can help you find information. So let me just type in a question here real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to put in eliminate debt. And so this just talks about different ideas to eliminate debt, okay? Here's a CBS News debate over debt. So this is like a national debt. It may not be personal debt, but this may be one place for you to begin looking for research for your paper. So as an overview, probably your best source first for your informational essay to look for sources is the church's website. Then the next one would be the procon.org website, okay? But basically for your assignment this week, so this is the assignment you are asked to find a source and then answer these 5 basic questions about the source. So hopefully the tips that I've given you about using both the church's website and the procon.org can help you with this assignment. Again, if you have any questions at all, please contact me and I will be happy to help you. Okay, have a great day. Bye.